Hello, dear viewers. I am Abdul Alim. Today, I want to show how you repair LG monitor. This look LG IPS display. Check the model number 27MP59G P. Okay. This just I want to show you. It's this monitor front side. How can you remove this for repair? At first, remove this stand. Okay, just there is two screw. Remove and like this. It's coming like this. Okay, after you need remove this one, this cover. This is extra cover in back side. Look, this extra cover. Okay, just need remove this one because circuit is here, controlling board is here, and okay, I just want to show you front face, the monitor front face. Look, this is the monitor. This is on 27-inch. This one 27-inch monitor, IPS display. Okay, look this corner. IPS LED, very slim. This one, this LG, very slim monitor. Very dangerous, very dangerous. You need open only for this box or this cover. Okay, others no. This is very risky monitor. Maybe this IC is problem because this IC taking hot. This IC may very hot. This monitor problem is no power. Look, no power. Okay. This one 24-volt bulb, filament bulb. At first I want to show power supply. I want to check power supply good or not. Okay. This power supply is 100% okay, because this one load is high load. So if it's problem, then you cannot carry this load. Okay, first we need to open this board. This IC is problem. This IC is so much hot. It's not repairable. This one not repairable. If power coming, then this one coming hot. So this not possible to repair in Qatar, because here not available all parts. These parts I cannot find where, because not available in Qatar. I will try to in AliExpress. If I can find, then I can make ready this monitor. Okay, dear friends, today I finish here, because this IC is problem, so I cannot anything. I can't fix it now. Thank you for watching the my video.